Customer just came in the door with an old military 1911. It is a World War II Ithaca made out of Ithaca, New York. Just initially taking this pistol apart and looking at it, it appears everything is matching. This is a high standard barrel, and the barrel looks really good. If you look at the length of the barrel here where the bushing would rub on it under recoil, you can see that there really isn't a lot of wear there. Looking at the frame, we see the serial number is 1275627. That places this pistol somewhere in 1943. And there's the classic M1911A1 U.S. Army marking. And if you'll notice under the grips, it was clear that nobody really bothered to remove the grips. This pistol is very well taken care of. That being said, corrosion has taken place beneath the grips, and that's something very easily taken care of. Magazine is an original magazine, and if we can get a good shot of the toe there, we can see that it's marked L, which means MS Little Manufacturing Company out of Connecticut, right next to Colt, Hartford, Connecticut. And the grips are made by Keys, and if you'll notice, they're matching. They're both marked 11. So it appears as if this pistol is all original from World War II.
Fit the pistol in the crotch of the hand and take a firm, tight grip on the weapon. The barrel should be in direct alignment with the forearm, so if you pointed your finger instead of the gun, it would be right on the target.
Just finished cleaning and reassembling the customer's pistol. And when reassembling it, I used a healthy coating of RIG on the inside of the action and inside the barrel. RIG is a rust-inhibiting grease. And this customer doesn't intend on shooting the gun anymore. It's going to sit in a vault for the rest of his life, probably. And so he wanted to make sure that there was enough grease inside that would prevent any further corrosion. But if anyone does intend to shoot this pistol in the future, it's going to need to be degreased. The inside of the barrel and chamber has so much RIG that if we were to try to shoot this now, the elevated chamber pressures would probably damage the gun.